Hello everyone. Today we make a small video for showing how to install Openclaw on R58 mini PC. This one is R58 mini PC with a rocket chip 3588. This is the outlook of device. And then at the very beginning, we need to pre-install Arbian firmware into the device. So here we will send you a download link. You will have all the files. It's a RK development tool release file for upgrade, and this is Arbian unofficial file. So this file we pre-installed Openclaw inside, and then here's another bin file used for upgrade. So we go to the development tool file, and then we find rocket chip development tool exe file, and here we use the mouse to click right by address, and then on the open the blank area we use mouse right click to load the config, and then we find the config file here. So this is a eMMC config file. Importing config, OK, and here's the loader file. So we use mouse right click here. So we found the bin file. This is a rocket chip 3588 SPL loader bin file. And here it's the Arbian firmware. So we click here and then we select Arbian unofficial. Here's the setup of the upgrade tool. And then what we need to do is we connect a Type-C to the device. Okay. And then the USB goes to the laptop. And then we prepare DC power for R58, but we will not connect them until we press and hold the recover button first, and then we connect the power. So it will goes to the loader mode, and we use a small needle. So what we need to do is to press and hold recover button. This is the button nearby the power on and off. So we press and hold recover button, and then we connect to the power. And here we'll show from a loader device. So as you can see here, it's, the setup is like the Type-C goes to the laptop, and then the DC power goes to here. But we will not connect to the DC power. You need to press and hold this small hole here, it's a recover button. Use a small needle to press and hold this recover button, hold it, and then use another hand to connect the power. And then it will show the loader device on the computer. And then you can start to press run. So you will start to install the Arbian firmware on the device. So this will take maybe 3 minutes something to finish the upgrade process for R58 Arbian. Okay, so let's wait. So when you see here download image OK, which means the upgrade process is finished, and then we can disconnect the Type-C and DC power, and then we will connect the R58 to a monitor or a TV to start boot Arbian operation system. So when you finish the upgrade R58 with Arbian firmware, then you can just connect the device to a monitor, and I use a keyboard and mouse and a Wi-Fi antenna and the DC port and HDMI to the monitor. Okay, so we're going to start to do the configuration of the Openclaw on R58. So at the very beginning, we need to go to the Wi-Fi to start to get the network connected. And then connect. So here you can see the Wi-Fi is connected. And we'll go to the application page. So in the Arbian firmware, the one we just pre-installed, we can see here is Openclaw web page and install Openclaw. So we need to start with this one. So if you're ready, it's all the Chinese, but it says if you're ready, just to press enter. So it will start to do the pre-install of Openclaw. Here's the input, the password, and password is Blueberry. Press OK, so it will automatically start to installing the Openclaw applications. It will take like 5 minutes